What are you up to? Couldn't sleep. Me either. I'm just here, watching the rain peacefully. Come here, join me. You can lay your head on my shoulder or my lap. Would you like some headpats? You're so cute. I hope you're feeling comfy right next to me. Now, listen to the rain and close your eyes. Just focus on the sound of the rain. Clear your mind and relax your body. Focus on the sound of the pitter-patter raindrops tapping on the concrete. You can hear the droplets splash quietly. Listen carefully. If you focus, isn't it relaxing? So soothing. It's only better now that you are here with me, all cuddled up. Now you can just be comfortable, lying here by me, listening to rain while listening to my voice. Follow my voice and let it guide you, falling into relaxation. Shh. Just stay relaxed and listen to my voice. Just feel yourself in fluffy clouds as you let your body and mind sink into them. You're doing amazing. You are an amazing being. Don't let any other negativity get to you otherwise. Enjoy yourself, love. Let yourself be free and don't think about anything. Shh. Just relax and let my voice guide you into sleep. Sweet dreams.